How to connect your MetaMask wallet to the Rootstock network. You can connect your MetaMask wallet to the Rootstock network in two ways, using ChainList and manually. Both ways work with most EVM-compatible wallets. Let's start with ChainList. Go to the ChainList link in the description and click Connect Wallet. If you have the MetaMask browser extension installed, it should automatically prompt you to connect. Click Connect and approve the request. You should be good to go. Another way, if you want to connect your MetaMask, you can go to your MetaMask wallet, click on the Current Network tab to select a network. Then click on Add a Custom Network, and you'll be greeted with a form. You can find the values in the blog post linked in the description. Copy and paste them into the appropriate fields. Click Save, and MetaMask should connect automatically to the Rootstock network. Go to the Network tab once more, and you should see Rootstock Mainnet there. Select it, and congrats. You have successfully connected your MetaMask wallet to the Rootstock network. Thank you for watching. Check out the blog post in the description for more info, or watch other videos exploring the Rootstock ecosystem.